In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use basic time tracking in QuickBooks Online. This feature is useful when you need to record hours worked, especially if you bill clients, support payroll tracking, or simply want a clear record of time. I will walk you through the basic flow from finding the time area to submitting your time for approval. First, navigate to the left sidebar in QuickBooks Online. On the left, you will see a vertical menu with several options. Look for the section labeled Time, or a menu item that relates to time tracking. When you locate it, click Time. This is the place where QuickBooks lets you enter and manage time activities in an organized way. Take a moment here to ensure you are in the correct menu, because the options that follow depend on starting in the time area. Next, after you click Time, go to the Date Entries area. In this section, QuickBooks typically shows entries based on what you select and how you want to record time. You will see options for different entry formats. From here, select either single time activity or weekly timesheet. If you choose single time activity, you will record time one activity at a time. If you choose weekly timesheet, you will record time across the days of a week. Choose the option that matches how you normally track your work, and keep in mind that the screen will adjust accordingly. Now that you have selected the entry method, you will need to select the employee. This step is important because it links the time you are entering to the correct person in your QuickBooks account. On the screen, find the Employee drop-down or selection field, then click it and choose the appropriate employee. If you are entering time for yourself, it will usually be the same employee shown by default, but you should still confirm it is correct before continuing. After selecting the employee, click Add Time. This is the action that opens the entry form where you can actually record the hours. When you click Add Time, look for fields that allow you to enter the date, the activity, and the amount of time worked, depending on whether you chose a single time activity or a weekly timesheet. It helps to take a quick scan so you understand what fields you will fill in next. If the form contains lines for different tasks or days, that is normal and expected based on your selection. Once your time entry form is ready and you have filled in the needed details, your final step is to click Approval. This sends the time for approval, which is often required in workplaces where managers review and confirm hours before they are finalized. Before you click Approval, make sure the entry looks right. Check that you selected the correct employee and that the dates and time amounts match what you intended to submit. After everything is confirmed, click Approval to submit it through the workflow. And that covers the basic process for using time tracking in QuickBooks Online. You started by opening the Time menu, chose the correct type of date entry, selected the employee, added your time, and then sent it for approval. If you follow this same sequence each time, you will be able to record your hours consistently and keep everything organized in QuickBooks Online. And that is all there is to it.